Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to bake cheese potatoes. Hope you like it. This recipe is simple and easy to make. Christmas is coming, so this recipe is also suitable for sharing with family and friends. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: potatoes, corn kernels, cheese, butter. Peel and diced potatoes. Steamed potatoes. Mashed potatoes thoroughly with fox. Add butter and mix together. Potatoes is still hot and can be easily melted potatoes. Add corn kernels and mix together. Wrap baking plate with baking paper. Add mashed potatoes into baking plate. Flatten mashed potatoes. Sprinkle cheese on mashed potatoes. Optional to sprinkle grind black pepper and salt. Send to oven and bake for approximately 5 minutes. Baked mashed potatoes with cheese is done. Smells so good. This mashed potatoes has a very smooth texture and is not greasy at all. It also has a delicious salty and cheesy taste. It is very delicious. Make this recipe for your Christmas celebration with friends and family. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Potatoes are not only a staple food, but also an excellent staple food. Potatoes have an outstanding ability to fill the stomach, and the calories are lower than rice. If you eat as much as you want, eating potatoes is less likely to make you gain weight than eating rice. Potatoes are high in potassium and low in sodium. Their potassium content is comparable to that of bananas, and they are also rich in vitamin C, of course. The premise is that you don't add too much salt when cooking, and don't fry them. Some varieties of potatoes also contain polyphenols with strong antioxidant capacity, such as anthocyanins in purple potatoes. A diet with a high glycemic index may be associated with insulin resistance, diabetes, obesity, and other diseases. Compared with white rice and white flour, the blood sugar rises more slowly after eating potatoes, which helps control blood sugar and is healthier. Potatoes are a kind of pseudo-vegetable with high starch content. The reason why they are called pseudo-vegetable is that potatoes are a kind of potato food. They are not vegetables, but coarse grains. 100 grams of potatoes contain 173 calories, but they are low in fat and rich in fiber and potassium, as well as a small amount of protein. They can regulate blood pressure, help you strengthen your spleen and eliminate dampness, moisten your intestines and promote bowel movements, and are beneficial to your health. The starch in potatoes is also resistant starch, which is not easily digested by the body. It has a strong sense of fullness, can improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce appetite. During weight loss, potatoes can be eaten as a staple food, which helps to lose weight. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.